Snowstorms are absolutely my favorite time to go to the bins. I mean, it's a big snowstorm, so like nobody's going there. If I go at the end of the day, I'm just gonna find all the stuff that has been sitting there all day long. So increase my chance of getting good stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be great. So I just arrived safely to the Goodwill bins. There's more people in the parking lot than I was expecting, so we'll see what we can find today. I can only get so much footage at the bins, so stick around to the end of the video and I'll go over everything that I found and what I think that they're worth. Keep in mind that everything here is $1.69 a pound. Some heavier things I can ask for a better price, and sometimes they'll give that to me. All right, that was a great trip to the bins. It has literally been snowing since 2 a.m. last night, and it's like 7 o'clock right now. That's ridiculous. But like I said, it's just the best time to go to the bins. This is one of our favorite hibachi places. They got some good tofu, and I get the old chicken hibachi and the yum yum sauces. Bang! Ivy can't wait to get a thrift haul, so let's head home and let's see what we got. It's crazy out here. We better go X Games mode on. Let's go over what we found at the bins. First up is this Mickey duffel bag, vintage, good condition. The old, just the basic Nike hat. Always so good. I got this Chicago Cubs wool hat. Pretty cool. Got this other Cubs hat. It's like a blockhead. Newer, American Needle. Pretty nice. Got these Birkenstocks, Batulas, pair of Chacos. These Tiva wedges, good condition. I forgot to look this up, but this little guy right here. Got this old Sports Specialties Pittsburgh Pirates hat. Another pair of Birkenstocks. Another one that's basically brand new. Got this Netgear Wi-Fi something rather. Sells quick, I think. We got this pair of Skechers. These Skechers always do really well in Depop. So that's your secret for the day. Got these Neos overshoes for like snow or something. They're good ones. The 990s have 100% sell-through rate basically. So yeah, always look out for like the dad looking New Balances because dad's buying them. I got this AccuRite weather station screen. Appears to be brand new as far as I can tell. I see a lot of Samsung wireless chargers, but this one I hadn't seen before, so I looked it up and I'm glad I did because this one looks like it sells pretty well. And I got this cool pillowcase. That's pretty neat. So I picked up this TheraBath. Don't know a lot about it, but it looks like it sells pretty good. They had $15.99 on it in the store. I got it for $2.99 at the bins. It's a pretty good pickup. One other thing I found is this North Face like quilted tote bag. It's pretty dang cool. I've never seen one like it, and I think I'm just gonna keep it because it's cool. If you want to see more picking content like this, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.